The Wellbeing Workshop for Teachers is a workshop done by Arthi and myself, Arul Dev, to share 4 practices with you that enable the development of your being to hold properties of calmness, strength, clarity, and well-being. Today, teaching or teachers is one of the most challenging professions because the students are quite smart, quite mischievous, and they also have a lot of troubles. At the same time, they have far more potential than what we've ever seen so far. And also the current time, what we're going through, increases the challenge of the teachers. So there's a heavy inload within the teacher. So no matter what subject you're teaching, this really is about the mindfulness. This really is about the inner well-being of the teacher, so that the inner of the teacher is nourished. And the reason we are doing or sharing this is twofold. Actually, what happens is when we're interacting with the students, it's not only what we teach, but who we are within that touches them through the process of osmosis. So it's almost like taking a bath every day. Can we also cleanse our being? Can we also nourish our being so that what we offer to them is nourishing to them as well? Very tiny 4 practices that can be done anytime is what we share, what we have tested over the years. And it is aimed to give you the property of calmness, strength, joy, and clarity, and a natural well-being. These practices can be done just within 12 minutes each day. So we are doing this course, and after that we hold a period of 2 weeks time for you all, so that you can come together, do the practice, and then go back and continue into your real time. So for those who want, after the course, we hold a 2 week of practice time, just about 12 minutes each day, so that you can taste the practice and integrate that into your life and get the inner subtle nuances of it without any doubt, with a lot of clarity. This is a path-breaking process that we are sharing because it's very simple, because it is very healing, because it is very transformative. Anybody can do it. We just completed a batch and we're very happy about what's occurring with the teachers, and we are sharing it again. So if you're interested as teachers, do join in. Thank you.